Hi guys, this is Rocker621. I have my razor with me. Not the razor on your skin, guys. Not that kind of razor. I just ate my lunch. This is the fabulous razor I've been talking to you about. This one. Right here, sonny. Back up a few feet. It is all good. Look how shiny it is. So anyway guys, I told you guys that I was going to unbox what's inside of these. Hey guys. So anyway, you guys can see here. So sorry that it's going to be loud. It's gonna remember when I cut my finger, guys? Yeah, well, it wasn't too bright. But then again, when you cut into these kind of things, don't cut into them with such good confidence. So anyway, guys, it is 12:58. It's almost 1 o'clock. I wish I did not have to go to school tomorrow, but mom's making me. And tomorrow I have my extension. Oh no, what do I do? I never tracked to the computer. Oh no, what do I do? Oh no, what do I do? So anyway guys, I thought if I can cut this open. Oh no! It's Fred! Ooh, it's Freddy-o! It's Freddy, Eddie. Fred! Here's Fred!
And today it's like raining out and all this stuff, so I really don't know how to do with my time. I'm gonna sing a song that expresses my love for Judy. Whenever I listen to the song, I think of Judy's precious face. Someday we'll be married. I swear! Oh my gosh, I have the perfect idea because it's so rainy outside and there's nothing to do. I'm gonna make food for Judy. Let me think. What would Judy like? Let's see. What would a girl like? Well, my mom's a girl and she loves buttered mushrooms. Let me tell you, she's gonna love the buttered mushrooms so much. My mom told me that if I eat too much butter, I'm gonna end up being as fat as Kevin, but I don't care. I love butter, even if it is fattening. Time to cook this delicious food inside the microwave.
Here we go, guys. This is the...
Hopefully the rain will leak through the roof of Judy's trailer. Maybe that'll make Judy learn a lesson or two.
Well, guys, that was that. I'm gonna turn into Fred because I have the same thing. This is actually, alright guys, this is me pretending. This is actually, oh, this is Peanuts. It's a very rare shot. Okay, guys. So, since it's St. Patrick's Day, I thought I'm gonna pretend I'm Fred. Alright, this is me because there's a total difference. I'm gonna really suck badly, but I guess I'm just not cut out to be. Okay, here we go.
Good Fred. Oh my God, today in school, Judy said that she was a geeky. Now, that's not nice to talk about yourself that way. And my teacher always said to be nice to people, so I always say hi to Judy and say she's beautiful. She's not a geeky. Wait, that's... Hi guys, it's Fred. Oh my God, today in school, Judy... Hey, it's Fred! And I'm really acting mad right now because Judy hasn't IM'd me back all day. I mean, so usually at least IM me back saying I'm a freak or something. Oh my God, I just came up with a good idea. I'll send Judy pictures of me so she'll IM me back. Photo shoot time!
Watch your boy do things. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this.
I got faster in that photo shoot.
Fred, don't take off any of your clothes in front of that camera unless someone pays you.
Mom, I know you told me 100 times. I'm gonna give the photos to Judy. Anyone home? Nobody's answering. Oh my God, it's locked. Oh my God, in Judy's house. Okay, I think I found Judy's room.
Alright guys, that was me pretending I was Fred. And now we're gonna watch the Fred video. A real Fred video. Okay, let's continue watching.
I never knew the bedroom inside her trailer was so big. Geez, look at all the weird things on the wall. I never knew Judy was a tomboy. Ew, somebody had an accident last night. I guess I'm not the only one who went to bed still. Okay, Judy, that's a cute. That's the toilet, Judy. Judy's beautiful hair. Her hair smells good. Oh my God, she has no inside here. I love Kevin and I'm gonna marry him someday. Fred is really ugly. I hate him. I hope he dies. What die? Die. No, she loves me. She loves me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go because this is getting kind of stubborn. Oh my God. No, give me my house. No. Oh my God, I'm so scared. The whole time I was running home, she was calling me a stalker. I'm not a stalker. It's not like I went through her underwear door or anything. Now that would be a stalker. All I did was go inside her house to get no one was opening the door, okay? And I sure as heck hope that she doesn't call 911 because if she does, what if I have to go to prison? Or a juvenile delinquent center? Well, I remember to give her the pictures. Oh, some people think I'm weird, but I...
Photo shoot.